back to my YouTube channel. The Christine Ngugi here. We're building a legacy out of a hobby. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment. If you've been here from day one, thank you. Be blessed. And share with your friends. Anyway, so today we're going to do a quick recipe of pork. Tunapika pork, white pork ya supper. Ile tu mbio mbio. So thank you and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye. In case you're having pork at home right now and you want to cook something quick for supper, so here guys is the white fry, in a pork white fry. Put your pork in a pan like this, or a sufuria, whatever, anything that you have, and then I'm gonna add garlic and salt. Then uyache itho like ive. Then after that I'm gonna add onions and tomatoes and salt, and those makadhalika. Bear with me, I didn't have anyone to help me record this video, and also I'm from sleeping, so bear my voice. Thank you. So here's my garlic, crushed garlic. Yeah, I'm gonna add a bit of salt. Then I'm going to cover this for some time. So in the meantime, nakatakata, like slicing my onions and my tomatoes. So then you can go ahead and pour in your kitunguu na nyanya, your tomatoes and onions. You see, neighbor. So I think I'm gonna just put them inside. And after this step, I'm gonna add lemon juice. If you have, you can add vinegar, but I prefer this. Don't ask me the use of this because that mimi sijui, but nyakwa tutamu kwa pork. I'm gonna squeeze it in our pork. Kadhufu lazima, kadhufu. Just kidogo. Ooh. I'm adding a bit of soy sauce. So, yeah. And just like that, guys, our pork is ready. Serve it with ugali or with whatever you want. Okay, guys, until next time. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Toodles!